So today we're gonna be doing some flooring, laying all this down, and we did a bit of prep, ripped out a bunch of stuff. A good friend of mine is gonna be here shortly to help. He's gonna be doing inside there to prep it, and then he's also gonna be doing a good amount of quick, smooth cuts for me, which will actually make this time go by very quickly, I think, or at least the flooring, maybe not the time. Boom. Try to get a couple down, make sure they sit into each other nice and easy. You know, boom. Oh, let's flip it. Give a nice little cut. Put that there for after. Let's get these pieces in. Just so I can eventually, I really just want to get this middle piece tucked in well. And then this way, the rest I think can go pretty smooth. I like to go in on the side and then just to say lift it up together, give her a little tap tap. The problem is at this point, like it should all go in relatively well right now. The only issue I've found when doing flooring is like if you hit too hard in one spot, it will knock out in another spot. Everybody thinks everything's easy because they saw one guy do it one time online. Ridiculous. But it takes a bit of finesse to do. It's not that difficult, but it definitely takes a little bit of, you know, some finesse. So I think what we'll do at this point though is I'm gonna cut a tapping block this way. I'm also gonna put a bit of weight now that I have the first row on. I like to slide a box or two just on it so that I can keep weight so at least it doesn't move back and forth on me. And then that seems to help. I'll probably put another box down on top. Fuck it. We're going right here. All right. A bunch of sand everywhere. That's not good. Hopefully none of the pieces are broken. I'll definitely have to wipe these down. All right. Shit. Boom. You know, these are the things that we try to look at. Gaps, hitting it, taking it out in different spots. I guess I definitely have to make the adjustments here now. That's not good. Let's get my pencil, mark this out. So I either really messed it up or I'm a genius. I'm gonna say it's about 70-30 genius, but it's been a minute since I've had to make these weird cuts, so we'll see how it all plays out. See how it goes, you know. We shall see. Ooh. Oh my goodness. My genius? So, sort of. The answer is sort of. Because as much as I nailed the angles on the first cut, I didn't quite make it long enough. So I gotta take a bit off this one. Granted, this one I didn't put as much attention to, making sure it was lined up properly. I kind of just did one of those classic set it and forget it's. Now let's see if we could tuck this over. Shit. Ugh. Haha. Now if that works, genius, I guess. Haha. This was the cut that I honestly thought, this initial angle cut, would give me a lot of problems. It's always these ones that are either like, I either do it once right the first time, or it takes me forever. So, thankfully in this case, it's not it. It's not what happened. Check that out. I don't have my measuring tape, so it's kind of lame. What I will do though is I'll have to go cross court here. It's this one for sure. Yeah. Worst case, it's not. I'm gonna make a shorter cut, but I'd rather guess with the inside cut that I just made. It's all about transferring those angles and seeing if they work. And just as I suspected, cut it a little short or too long. I'd rather do long and cut twice than cut it once. I need to get a stretcher for my board because that's not ideal. A lot of extra work, a lot of wasted pieces, where in this case, it's actually not too bad. Now, I roughly know I need to take just a smidge more off. Remember, the baseboard's about 1/2 inch. So, if I'm a bit loose on one angle of the cut, or I transfer my line a bit wonky, as long as it's not too crazy, it'll usually get covered. But we try to do it really well the first time, and then makes it a bit easier when we do everything else. Everybody can lay down flooring on straightaways, but not everybody can lay down the angle cuts. Oh, I saw a guy do it on Google. You could do anything. Yeah, but you probably aren't the best at it. So, you know, I've never watched somebody do flooring on Google. But don't matter. All right, let's put some weight on this section here. Try to get her nice and there we go. Then it usually tucks nice, lays flat. All right, now I got my first couple of rows. Nice and easy. Let's do one of these. Reese can have a tapping block when he arrives. All right. Is that a full piece? It is. I mean, by the time he gets here, he preps that room. Shouldn't be too bad. And we'll have quite a bit. I originally want to put down the first row or two, make sure everything's good, and then I put boxes on the front. That is how we start flooring. I usually try to do 1 or 2 boards, get the rows going, put weight down at the front, start tapping them in, and go from there, you know. I wish I make sure these are tight, not too tight, but just to say, so that they line up well. I get them in. They usually do a nice little tuck if they're in properly. Oh shit. There we go. That answers that question. I was like, why in the hell is it not going down? There we go. Concrete screw underneath, or concrete nail. Epic. All right, where's the other piece? My end piece. Here we go. There we go, that's a nice end piece. I always try to give end pieces about 4 or 5 inches, maybe a bit less than my hand. If they're anything really small, much smaller than my hand, then Poo bow, caca, throw them out, not worth it. Flooring's like, I enjoy doing it because it's satisfying. Like you could see what you've done. And that part I really enjoy. I like being able to see kind of how far you've gone. You're like, oh, look at all this. Oh, wow. Did this whole room. But then there are other times where you can't, and you're like, oh, this kind of sucks. You don't really know what you've done. It's, you know, a bit more rewarding this way, I think, for me, I found. So this way I try to not use my left knee as much, you know, but caca poo poo. All right, we'll go opposite. We'll go to here, right to the bottom. Draw my line. Then we'll take another piece right up against the wall. We go tuck it in, almost in virtually. We do this. Yeah, I think I just broke this belt. Kid's probably here. Yo! Oh, you're here. Okay, perfect. I'll be down in 2 seconds.
I think in my third year I might start doing my own side shit.
Nice.
I just don't know if I do service or if I do like a whole new construction build, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because that's what I'm getting taught how to do. It'd be fun.
I think you like, man, you could pick service, but also like do it in a way where like you can be picky.
Yeah.
Like only do it for like 5 people, like 5 clients that call you for things, and then that's about it. Nobody else.
Yeah.
Super easy that way.
That would be the service, but
Also think too, like the schedule though you're saying is fucking long days.
yeah.
So like what time would you have? The Friday?
Yeah, exactly.
So that's like,
Friday, Saturday, so like Friday, Saturday, you know what I mean?
yeah.
Friday to get material.
Sunday to do it.
Yeah, Friday to get
Saturday.
material. Saturday to start it, and Sunday you do what you can with what you have because nothing's fucking open on Sundays.
Yeah.
Well, it's like, yeah, I can't go to fucking, just go to MCO on a Saturday.
Are they even open on Saturdays?
No.
Really? Fucking crazy. I thought they were.
Well, I know a lot of companies like.
Not rocket science. I like this shit though, like flooring indoors.
Yeah, definitely it has some finesse to it.
Dude, it could be minus 40 or plus 20. It's gonna feel the same. In here. Probably more humid actually, but a bit better. I'll get a fan then. Plus, dude, you're collecting tools as you go, and then you have enough tools, like you probably now have enough tools to do a lot of the stuff.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna definitely go pretty crazy once I get back from Miami.
Nice.
But I'm just saving money for that.
Oh, for tools, yeah. Like what? What are some?
Well, give me 1 second, I'll read you the fuck.
Oh, you got a list going.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Nice. Oh, by the way, I should tell you, I do have it while you're looking that up. Listen to this. I do have it recording.
That's fine.
Like it just started like 10 minutes ago. But what I do is, if there is anything picked up on the audio that's not, like, might be compromising, I fucking mute it.
Yeah.
That section, just to be clear. So don't worry, I'm just giving you a heads up.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh shit, make sure you, no, I go ahead, because I'm the same way, and I don't want to be like, no, be careful what you say. It's like, no, I'll just go back and make sure nothing's, I'm trying to compromise the only people that, fucking want weakness.
Gets me canceled.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need.
Fired?
Yeah, I need like a big pipe cutter.
Oh,
Like a big one.
Oh,
Close
shit.
cutter set. Copper six cutters. Handle. New screwdriver set. Needle nose. More wire brushes. Torch head torch. Solder flux brushes.
Like a lot of specific
pipe wrenches. PEX cutters. That's all I need. That's all. Those are my hand tools.
Nice. I was like, no fucking way.
Well, kneel again.
Dude, to be honest, if it means like me staying in Sudbury this past year has made me not hate my brother as much.
That's good.
Like, I don't even think I hate him anymore or don't like him. We've gone along pretty well. We've had good conversations. He's invited me out to things. I've invited him out to things, and it's like, hey, we're getting along,
That's cool. Yeah.
which would have been fucking wild. But then, my mom goes ahead and fucking does that communist mom shit.
That's what moms do best.
Yeah.
Fuck shit up.
Yeah. If I get like small side service work, do you want me to just give it to you? You can kind of start now, because I get some stuff that I like can't do, and I'm just like, nah. Or do you want like, I know you said after hours though.
I don't know. I haven't done enough service.
Not yet. Okay. Just say the word, and I'll start funneling it.
When I can. Like I can do
Yeah.
some things. Like I could probably plumb in like a bathroom, put like a lab or like.
Yeah.
I could do like a basic like little fix.
A lot of it is like, oh, if this is leaking, get replaced apart.
Yeah.
So a lot of it is that I get.
If this is if it's leaking, it's like if it's like water line, it's like switch it up to PEX or.
Yeah,
I'd
like
probably try to do copper, just like soldering is just.
like you've seen kind of the stuff I already get. Like you've done a few. It's pretty much more of that.
Yeah. I'm sure I could eventually figure it out.
Just want to give yourself like another year, half year,
No, not even a year. I just like.
half year.
I wanted to do like service for if I do that, I want to do service for a little bit.
I see. Yeah.
So by the time
That's
you
smart.
give me that and I come and I go and do like a call.
Get used to the troubleshooting.
Yeah, exactly. Or it's like maybe it's something you've already seen, so I know how to fix it.
True.
So yeah, that would be good.
Get out. Can you pass me a pencil real quick?
What do you want?
Is it a pencil?
Yeah, I
If
got
it's
it.
on you.
We got the one.
I definitely think you have. Yeah, perfect. Thanks. That's what it is. Finesse.
Look at that.
Yeah, I fucked this up. Fucking bird gag. I thought it was a fucking gag gift. So specific.
Pretty Pacific.
Pretty specific, bud. Go fucking whale watching in BC. Go fucking see some gators. You're gonna go see some. Yo, do you have your measuring tape here?
I have two.
Nice. Use one real quick.
Yeah, it's just on the counter.
I definitely forgot mine. RBE baby. Let them know. We got 43.
Dude, someone, so that's the one I think you gave me
Yes.
for
Yes, it is.
my birthday.
Yes.
Dude, someone at Lockerbie left another Milwaukee tape, the same one.
Yep.
And I'm like, Shane, is this yours? He's like, no. And then I'm like, okay.
No shit.
Mine now, dude. So now I just have two
Nice. That's awesome.
Milwaukee ones.
That's fucking sick.
Like, the other one's better,
Yeah.
but at the end of the day, it's a measuring tape, so like.
Yeah. As long as it measures.
Yeah, it has numbers on it.
They're all fucking the same, but like I like the red and black.
Yeah.
Especially in that clean Paco you got, bro. What the fuck?
Well, I think I fucking have to go to Milwaukee now.
Yeah.
I've committed. I've committed to Milwaukee. The Milwaukee way of life.
Milwaukee real life. There are worse ways of life.
There are.
I wouldn't know them, but I've heard about them.
Kinda went for my Obi, dude.
Yeah. It's like, tell me you're a DIY dad without telling me.
Tell me you're gay without telling me.
Yeah, precisely. Dude, if you're at a customer's house and they're like, hey, do you know anybody who does flooring? Just say yes, you take 60, I'll take 40, and just cruise it. As you fucking steal from them. Because they'll never, I found a lot of times people won't ask you to do stuff, but people ask you if you know anybody who does it.
Yeah.
And they're like, oh, can you do this? It's like, hey, do you know anybody? And you're like, actually, I do this better than what I'm doing for you now. Fucking plumber by day, florist by night, buddy.
Yeah.
Or you, more so.
Well, eventually when it's time to like get a house or whatever,
Yeah.
the more of the shit I could do on my own.
Oh, yeah. That's what Devin's figuring out now. That's real, that's fucking nice. nice too. Nice. The way it fucking should be.
I don't think I'm like cruising. It works. It looks good.
Yeah, but it's relative term.
Took me a second.
Yeah, you said that would happen. I knew it would. It's all good.
It's always that first one.
Yeah, I'm the exact same way. Dude, identical. Like it's 1000% what's gonna happen. To be expected though, right? Like we did it a bunch and then didn't do it, so it's like shit. Best fucking hand tool for this. Not even close. Not even close, pal. That was behind me.
Even like a still saw.
Yeah.
I've seen people use that for flooring.
Yeah, and like videos and stuff.
Well, no, in real life. Like,
Oh shit.
and it kind of it makes sense in my eye because then you get like a clean cut.
True, yeah. Instead of this nonsense.
Yeah.
Exacto.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoa.
Holy fuck, you're hammering me, bro.
Yeah. I got lucky. I fucked up one piece, got lucky with the other, but I didn't use the pencil, and I used the end of the blade, so I basically just scratched the floor. But I'll just fucking fill it in with some dirt and use the pencil to scribble over it.
Yeah.
Should be fine. Oh, you're fucking like right there, eh? Okay. Well done, man.
Thanks, bro.
Did virtually fucking this whole,
Yeah.
basically this whole room,
Yeah.
except for 3 rows. Like, dude, it looks fucking great. No issues, no gaps. I'm gonna do nothing. This is it. Why we fucking hired? Why you're the lead man at a general contractor you need? For shit like that.
Shit. Hide it.
I'll see something in case you forgot. I do.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking
He's just gonna trace you.
Just to say. Yeah. Mark it. Same thing at the half. And then when we fuck, because then it will be a bit different, right? Because the wall won't be fucking flat. But because we're going half, or just to stay inside, it'll give us a little bit of room. And if I have to shave it. Then I run full piece, connect the lines, and then yeah, go for it. And then cut on the inside of the line.
Yeah.
And then that should give you the part you need. In case you forgot. Oh. Oh, have I?
Vancouver job board.
Oh shit,
That
that's a
would be
good
really
idea.
fucking idea.
Holy shit, dude. That's such a good idea.
Because they always post shit.
Really?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Are you on one?
I used to be.
That's a good idea. Really good. I only have Facebook on my, like, do you have it on your phone? Facebook?
Yeah.
Yeah. Only have it on my computer, and it like prompts me with an activation code every time I log in. So it's like a cock fest.
Yeah.
So I just like fucking have stopped using it. Should probably fix that, but. So yeah, I'll fucking do that though for sure. And is it like people like they just put like a hiring thing out?
Yeah, it's like looking for someone to work for this company. This is what we're paying you. These are your hours.
No shit, eh?
PM me.
Everything.
Yeah.
So I've been looking on like Indeed is great, and so is LinkedIn, but they're not. They always bring you somewhere else.
Yeah.
Ah, give me that. Huh. It's a good idea. Yeah, I'll start fucking doing that.
That's a good idea.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a good idea for sure, dude. Thanks.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, not bad.
Just doing my bit.
Just doing the part of it. I've even thought of getting a houseboat out there, but the docking fees will fuck you in the ass.
I wouldn't get a houseboat.
They're like, fuck. Yeah.
Like, yeah, I'd be sick if you were living in like Cowichan Bay with it.
Yeah, like the idea is cool, but past that, not the case.
I feel like the actual reality of it is way different.
Yeah, I think so. It's kind of what's been turning me off from looking any further than just like when it comes up.
I mean, Cowichan Bay is beautiful,
Yeah.
and like Red Cod Cafe is fucking elite in terms of like restaurants.
Yep.
Other than that, I
Not
don't know this person.
not anything crazy.
No.
Okay. Job boards and Facebook groups, eh? No shit. Dude, that might work well too for like side hustle work.
Oh yeah.
Like if somebody's looking for work done and be like, oh man. it's not gonna happen now here, that's for sure. It's this fucking shit. I'm breaking off all my cut pieces. Shit, oh dear, come on. Go, baby, come on. Let's go to 16. Hold on, 16. Oh, come on. You gotta be fucking kidding me. How the fuck is this gonna work? Come on, Glenn. Let's see why they do that. As much as they do for nothing. Fuck it. That's how it lives. I'll just pull that out a bit and it'll be fine. Oh. You know, we don't lose, but sometimes we get scored on, that's for sure. Fuck.
Yeah, dude.
Fuck, it's all part of the game.